Okay, let's announce the winner. What do you guys think? Are you in? Are you excited? Are you drum rolling at home? I don't want to wake my kids up, so I can't drum roll too loud, but I'm super excited. So let's do this. This is, I'm going to have to do a screen share here. Winner announcement. Let's do this. Pick the winner. Oh my gosh. Gail Coster is the winner, and I probably shouldn't be showing her email, but please don't spam her. Gail Coster 30. Let's double check her and make sure she's legit. Make sure her answers are right. Her answers are right. Clarity is right. Okay, cool. So I'm checking her and make sure she's legit. You guys don't need to see that, but she definitely is a legitimate person, human being. Okay, cool. All right. So that's the winner, guys. Sorry if you didn't win, but Gail Coster, what I was really hoping, I'm going to shoot, hold on, bear with me, guys. I'm going to shoot her an email right now so that she can call my wife's cell phone with a secret code. I'd really love if we could get Gail on the phone live. Do we have Gail on the phone? Okay, so sorry to interrupt everybody. I'm going to put Gail on speakerphone. Gail, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Hi, Gail. How are you doing?
Well, I'm in shock.
You're in shock. Gail's in shock, everyone.
Yes, I am. I just tuned into you so I could see where the bunkie was going, what city, what town.
Yeah, well, I guess it's going to your town.
And it's coming to my house. Yes.
That's awesome.
That's absolutely awesome.
Yeah, no, Gail, I just want to establish a few things. I don't know you. You're not like my grandmother or my aunt or anything. We've never met before, right?
Never.
Okay, where are you from? It said Port Elgin, but is that right?
No, then it could be another Gail. I'm in Sturgeon Falls.
Okay, well, sometimes the computer just messes that up, but it's definitely you. It's Gail Coster, right? Gail Coster. I'm saying your name wrong. Gail Coster. Okay, it's definitely you. You were the winner.
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely me.
Okay, awesome. So Sturgeon Falls. Awesome. Okay, well,
Yes.
I hope you don't mind. I'm actually you're live on the computer screen, and people are listening to us talk. I hope that's okay.
Certainly.
Okay, great.
Certainly.
Well, Gail, we're going to figure out how to get the bunkie to you and all that stuff, and chat about that. Is this the best number to get you at?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, great. We'll talk soon. I'll call you later on tonight. I'm just kind of chatting with everybody on the thing, and then we'll.
Yes, I've been listening to you and watching you.
Oh, wonderful. I'm glad that you. Was it fun for you?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
This is my second year entering, and I just loved entering and answering the questions and watching the videos.
Awesome. Well, Gail, it's I'm excited to meet you, and I'm excited to get your bunkie to you. So let's talk about that later on tonight, okay?
Well, I thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome, and congratulations. We'll talk to you soon.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye for now. All right. Okay, so that was Gail, everybody. She's a real human. We got her on the phone. Fantastic.